welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you another recipe for amazing Polish sandwich. Sandwich with egg paste. In Polish, kanapka z pastą jajeczną. So what I have over here is 6 hard-boiled eggs that I already chopped, and what I'm going to add to it is few ingredients and then make a delicious sandwich. So let's start. So the recipe is super simple. I'm gonna attach in a card how to boil hard-boiled eggs. But what I have over here is about half of red onion that I chopped very finely, and I'm just gonna add it into my eggs and then mix it all. In another bowl, I'm gonna prepare the sauce. So what I have over here is 2 big tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And what I'm gonna add to it is a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and mix it all very well. I'm gonna also add a bit of salt and some pepper. Next, you just put the sauce with the eggs and the onion and mix it all well. Just be gentle so you don't crush the eggs. So what I like to add is a bit of parsley, it's about a teaspoon, and some chives. So to assemble the sandwich, what you're gonna need is a piece of bread. I use a multi-grain bun. What I'm gonna do is use a bit of egg paste instead of butter at the bottom, so my lettuce sticks to the bun. And then put, this is baby romaine in 2 different colors, so the sandwich looks yummy and fresh and tasty. And on top of that, I'm gonna put another big spoon my egg paste. And because I love cucumbers, I'm gonna decorate that, and some parsley. It is time to try it. The creaminess of the egg, the mayonnaise goes so well, perfectly together with the parsley and the onion. It's just a quick fix for lunch. It's brilliant. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comment for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Please consider subscribing, and thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye!